What's up, Visuals fam, and welcome back for another video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel first of all, and if you like what you see in this video or any of my other videos you might happen to watch, please consider subscribing with those notifications on. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, today I'm going to be taking a look at my GK61XS that I already built here on the channel, and I tested it. And if you have not seen that video, go ahead and click up here so you can check that video out first. And we're gonna fully customize it by first lubing the Kailh Pro Burgundy switches that are in it. We're going to be adding some custom keycaps, including a very special Artisan cap that I got for it. And we're even going to be connecting a custom coiled cable that matches the keyboard and using a matching mouse mat as well. Excited to see it? Well, so am I. So let's go. URCD has discounted codes for games and software that are a fraction of what you would pay if you purchased them from a retail store. More specifically, they have great prices with Windows 10 OEM and retail as well. If that's not enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive 20% off the already discounted price. Just type in the product you're looking for, add it to the cart, view your cart, head to the checkout, and then type in my promo code RAV20 and see the sweet savings appear. But wait, PayPal isn't working for you? You just need to scroll down to the bottom right, click this link right here, and make sure you use that promo code they give you at checkout, and PayPal should work like a charm. Check the links in the video description to learn more. Alright, before we start, I think it goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. All the parts and accessories that are going to be used in this video will be linked in the description below, and those links go and help out the channel. So if you guys do end up using those links to get some of these parts, I thank you in advance, and it really helps me out. So awesome. All right, so let's get started with the first step in this custom build, taking it apart from the initial build. So basically this just includes taking all of the keycaps off first. Then taking all of the switches out of the hot swappable PCB we have on the GK61. Now that we have the switches out, we can begin disassembling them using a switch opener. Now, this particular switch opener is a full metal switch opener from a company called Geek Social, and it's a bit more spendy than those, 3D printed ABS plastic ones that you kind of probably see on Amazon. But trust me, when you end up taking apart multiple sets of 60 plus switches, you'll be glad you have something this sturdy. Also, to get these switches lubed, I'm going to be using a little paintbrush that I got off of Amazon, as well as some Krytox 205 grade 0 that I got off of thekeycompany.com. Now, you can find this all over the place, even Amazon, but just make sure you get the right stuff. And this is basically pretty standard lube for those linear switches we're going to be using today. So with the materials out of the way, I began lubing up all of the components, starting with the bottom housings. I then bag lube the springs by putting all of them into a little plastic baggie and spraying a bit of lube into the plastic bag and just, shaking them up a little bit. Just be aware that some of the springs may end up sticking together when you do this, so be prepared to go ahead and carefully pull them apart, and then, do that on the paper towel when you go ahead and pour them out. After that, I began lubing all of the stems. Once the stems were done, I lubed all of the upper housings next. Then with those out of the way, I was finally able to reassemble all the switches one by one. Now this always takes a little while, of course, just like everything else, so be patient with it. And with all the switches reassembled, I was able to put them all back in the GK61XS PCB and get it going. So with all the switches in, the only thing left to do was go ahead and put our custom keycaps from Boy back onto the switches with a little addition of that custom Artisan keycap for our escape key that we got from the Hotkeys project. And then we went ahead and plugged in the brand new custom cable from our boys at Calamity Cables, and I tied it all in with our matching mouse pad from Odin Gaming. Now this all looks really awesome together and ended up matching perfectly. Man, does it look good, so check it out. All right, fam, I really hope you enjoyed seeing the journey my GK61XS right here went on to become what it is right now. So from just basically replacing the old keycaps with these new ones to now fully taking it apart, putting an Artisan keycap on it, all that good stuff, and streaming it with you guys, which I had a lot of fun, and I'll do it more in the future. It has been such a fun process, and I'm very pleased with how it has turned out. In fact, you know, I have to say that these Lubed Kailh Pro Burgundies are absolutely my favorite switch right now. I mean, I haven't tried so many of them, but right now they're my favorite switch because they feel just so damn smooth with the right amount of basically like thock. Like, yeah, right amount of thock with every key press. I love it. So anyway, if you all enjoy content like this and you want to let me know it, go ahead and go down there and hit that like button and leave me a comment down below there, and basically tell me your thoughts on this custom GK61 build, and you know, maybe what you would do different, or if you would do the exact same one. And again, like I said before, if you guys want anything that I use in the video, check the description and you'll find what you're looking for. And as always, if you're not already a part of the Visuals fam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and turn on those notifications so you can be a part of an awesome community from the ground level, because honestly, you guys, I feel like we've just kind of gotten started with this whole thing, and we're starting to grow really, really well, and there's many more awesome days ahead of us. So take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.